How to log into your OnePass account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your OnePass account. OnePass is a digital identity and authentication service that provides users with a single account to access multiple online services. Now, in order to log into your OnePass account, first of all, you need to open any web browser on your device. And in the search bar, you need to type onepass.com.au. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of OnePass. Once you reach to this page, here in the top right, you will find login link. Click on this login option right here. And now you will be redirected to the login interface. Here in the left side, you will find two boxes where you will need to enter your login credentials. In the first box, enter your email address associated with your OnePass account, and in the second box, enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password here. You can also click on this I button at the right side to reveal your password and check if you have entered it correctly or not. In case if you forgot your password, you may also reset your password by clicking on this reset password link right here, and from there you need to follow the instructions given to you to recover your password. Now, after entering all the credentials correctly, click on this login button right here, and then you will be able to log into your OnePass account. Also, if you haven't created an account yet, you may also click on this sign up now link right here, and then you need to fill out the form to create an account on OnePass. So by following these steps, you should be able to log into your OnePass account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.